I'm Jessica from This Is Engineering. Nice to meet you all. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to introduce the product called Shift Red Drone by This Is Engineering, and this little one got more than 1 million views, which is amazing, right? But seeing is believing. Let's see what's in the box. So firstly, the box's design is very clean and chic at the same time. The first thing you notice right away is the product images and logos on the box, so it gives more direct and modern vibes. And on the top of the box, there's a handle, so you can carry it easily, and it makes perfect gift since it has a little handle on the top of the box, like a fancy shopping bag. Okay, now we are going to check what's inside the box. So the first thing you notice right away is the drone and the controller and the ring. These are the main components of the Shift Red Drone. So yeah, it's really smaller than you thought, right? It even fits perfectly in my hand, which is very small. I have small hands. And design, I think that's the main aspect of the Shift Red Drone. If you put the drone on your desk like this, people will think this is like just part of the interior design. No one will think you're a nerdy person. This is extraordinary. You should focus on this. This is controller, and it's totally different from kinds of controllers you see from other drones out there. And to use this, just put this ring on your thumb, like this, and hold the controller and move. Then the drone will move the same way the thumb moves. If your thumb moves forward, the drone also goes forward. And it works the same way if you move your thumb backwards, sideways, or upward. It's just so easy. Next up, we have our accessories. Accessories are very well organized as well. So first, this is a propeller guard which protects the main body of the drone, and it completes the artistic design as well. Following that, batteries and cables are included in the box. This is USB-C type and the power supply. And the battery, it's really easy to put the battery on and off. And the power is on now. This rhythmic and cheerful sounds makes me feel good though. So there's always risk involved while the drone is up in the air. Sometimes propeller got damaged. So we have provided a spare propeller just in case. And usually it's really hard to take the propeller off by hand, so a wrench is also provided to help you. And over here, the last accessory is a fit bag. I could say this is as good as it gets. Since everyone has a different finger size, people usually worry about the size of the ring. So if you have a thin finger like I do, it helps you to get a snug fit. So the ring doesn't move. It's a thoughtful consideration. Alright, the power is on now. Let's fly a shift.